Hello class, I just want to take a few minutes and walk you through what you're going to be doing for today's activity. No video of me today, just a video of the different things you're going to be working on. This paper should look familiar to you. You've been working on this, you started this in class yesterday, and so it's just a matter of continuing to work on it. You're going to take these four, the A through D, and you're going to match them to one of these six. And then whichever two don't match, you can get rid of those ones. So that shouldn't be anything new. Then once you get that done, you get your choice of activity on what you want to work on. You can choose to work on, this is called the A to Z activity, and what you're going to do in this activity is you're going to go through and figure out which of these match each other. So A has a match somewhere in here. So you're going to have to go through and identify some of the minutia. And remember, we're looking for 8 to 16 points of comparison when we're doing this. So you're going to look for points of comparison, and then each of these has a match. Now, because of the number game, some of them aren't going to end up matching in the end, but you want to try to find as many matches as possible. In my humble opinion, this is the most difficult one of the two choices. You might disagree with me. The other one is called the APHIS lab. And the way the APHIS lab works is you have this set of 28 prints that have been lifted from various places. And then you also have a bunch of suspect fingerprint cards. And what you're going to go through is you're going to go through and try to figure out, okay, these lifted prints came from which of these suspects. I will let you know on this one that numbers 8 and number 18 do not have a match. So 8 has no match, 18 has no match, so you can not worry about those two. The rest of them have a match somewhere in your suspect pack. The one that makes this one a little bit more difficult is the fact that you have so many suspects that you need to go through. But if you use your ability to classify your fingerprints, you should be able to figure this out. Alright, and to help make the APHIS one a little bit easier on you, I've put together this little spreadsheet. So latent print number 2. So if I was filling this out, I could go latent print number 2 is a match to, and this is not the right answer, maybe it's a match to card number 3, finger number 6. And then I'm going to classify the print pattern in that particular case. What I'd also like you to do, though, is you have to come up with at least 3 points of comparison on this. On both the suspect and the latent print. Latent print, if I can learn how to spell. Alright, so between these 3 activities, this is going to keep you busy for the entire block. So use your time wisely. You should be able to get your A to D activity done as well as one of these 2 activities. These 2 activities here you will be working on in pairs, and the A to D activity you should each be working on your own. If you have any questions, I'll be able to answer them. You're welcome to grab a seminar pass and come see me on Wednesday. Otherwise, I'll be back on Thursday, and I can talk to you then about your questions. You guys have a great day. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.